Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video we will discuss about direction. Okay. So first of all, let's see that what is direction. Okay. Direction means angle. Okay. Direction means we can say angle. Direction means angle. Okay. Let's see the definition of direction. The angle the angle made by a vector quantity with reference line is called direction. Okay. So here, what is direction? The angle made by a vector quantity with reference line. Okay. The angle made by a vector quantity with a reference line. With a reference line. Okay. With a reference line is called direction. Okay. So what is here a new word, that is reference line. Okay. So what is reference line? Let's see that what is reference line. Reference line. Okay. What is the reference line? The line from which we start our measurement is called line. Okay. So here what is reference line? The line from which we start our measurement is called what? Reference line. Okay. Is called reference line. Okay. So what is reference line? The line from which we start our measurement is called reference line. Okay. For example, we can see y-axis, this is our z-axis. Okay. X-axis, y-axis, and this is our z-axis. Okay, and all in this line with 90 degrees. Okay. So here x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. So this one is our example of the reference line. Okay, so I hope you understand that what is the reference line. The line from which we start our measurement is called reference line. Okay, and what is direction? The angle which the angle made by a vector quantity with a reference line is called direction. Okay, so I hope you understand that what is this direction and what is reference line. Okay, now let's move further. Now let's see meaning of east of north and north of east. Okay, meaning of east of north and north of east. Now let's see what meaning of east of north and north of east. Okay, as we know east, east, west, north and south. Okay. Force is equal to here 10 Newton. Okay, and this angle is equal to 60 degree, and this one is about 30 degree. Okay, so here you can write force is equal to 10 Newton at 30 degree. Okay, at 30 degree, the one with which the angle is formed is written in last. Okay, here we can see that 30 degree is formed with east. Okay, so that's why it is written in last. Okay, at 30 degree, we can write north of east. North of east. Okay, the one with which the angle is formed is written in last. Okay, so that's why here 30 degrees formed with east. Okay, so that's why it is written in last. Okay, or we can write like this. Force is equal to 10 Newton at 60 degree east of north. Okay, here we can see that 60 degree is formed with north. Okay, so that's why it is written in last. Okay, or we can write like this that or we can write force is equal to 10 Newton at 30 degree with east towards north. Okay, north. Or we can also write like this that force is equal to 10 Newton at 30 degree with east toward north. Okay, toward north. Okay. Or we can also write like this. Force is equal to 10 Newton at 60 degree with 60 degree formed with north. Okay. 60 degree with north towards east. Okay. Okay, so I hope you understand this one. Now let's move further. Meaning of west, we can write north of west and west of north. Okay. Now let's see the meaning of meaning of north of west and west of north. Okay. East, west, north and south. Okay. Suppose that let force is equal to 5 Newton. Okay. Vector is equal to 5 Newton, and let this angle is equal to 30 degree, and this one is 60 degree. Okay. So here we can write force is equal to 5 Newton at 30 degree north west. Okay, north or west. Okay. Why have we written that north and last? Because the angle with the one with which the angle is formed is written in last. Okay. So here 30 degree is formed with west, so that's why it is written in the last. Okay. Or we can write like this: is equal to 5 Newton at 60 degree west of north. Okay. Here north is written in last because 60 degree is formed with north. Okay. Or we can also write like this: equal to 5 Newton at 60 degree north towards west. Okay. Here in the place of towards we can also write due. Okay. So or we can also write like this: force is equal to 5 Newton and 60 degree north toward west. Okay. Or we can write force is equal to 5 Newton at 30 degree west toward north. Okay. West towards north. Okay. So I hope you understand this. Now move further. Now let's see meaning of west of south and south of west. Meaning of west of south and south of west. Okay. So now let's see that meaning of west of south and south of west. East, west, north and south. Okay. This one is 10 Newton. Okay. Then this angle is our 30 degree. This one is our 60 degree. Okay. So here we can write force is equal to 10 Newton at 30 degree 30 degree south of west. Okay, because 30 degree is formed with south. Okay, that's why it is written in last. Okay, or we can also write like this force equal to 10 Newton at 60 degree west of south. Okay, 60 degrees formed with south. Okay, so that's why it is written in last. Or you can also write like this force is equal to 10 Newton at 30 degree west towards south. Clear? Or force is equal to 10 Newton at 60 degree toward west. At 60 degree south towards west. Okay. So I hope you understand this one also. Now move for the meaning of south of east and east of south. Okay, now let's see this one. East, west, north and this one is south. Okay. Let this one is force is equal to 2 Newton. Okay. And this angle is equal to like this one is our 26 degree and this one is 64 degree. Okay. So here 64 plus 26 is our 90. Okay. So here we can write force is equal to 5 Newton at not 5, 2 Newton. Force is equal to 2 Newton at 26 degree 26 degree south of east. Okay, south of east. Okay, 26 degree formed with south east. Okay, so that's why it is written in last. Okay, or we can also write like this force is equal to 2 Newton at 64 degree east of south. Okay, 64 degree formed with south. Okay, equal to 2 Newton at 26 degree east towards south. Okay. Force is equal to 2 Newton at 26 degree east toward south. Okay. Right. Force is equal to 2 Newton at 64 degree south towards east. Okay. 64 degree south toward east. Okay. So I hope you understand this one also. Okay. Okay, so I hope you understand all the video. First of all, like discussed about direction. Okay. Okay. Direction, it means angle. Okay, direction means angle. Okay. So the angle made by a vector quantity with reference line is called direction. Okay. And your reference line, it means the line from where we start our measurement is called reference line. Okay. Like here we can say x-axis, y-axis, or z-axis. After that, we discussed about the meaning of east of north and north of east. To that, meaning of north of west and west of north, and meaning of west of south and south of west, and lastly, we discussed that meaning of south of west and south of east and east of south. Okay. So I hope you understand whole the video. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.